In this video, we're going to use a graphing calculator to solve this equation here, ln of 2x equal to minus x plus 2. And we're going to use two methods, one using the intersect feature of the calculator and one using the zero feature. So say this is function f1, this one's f2 or g, whatever you want to call it. I'll call it y1 here and y2 here. If we can find the intersection of these two functions, y1 and y2, then the first component of that intersection point will be the solution. So we'll bring up the calculator here, and for y1 we'll enter ln of 2x, and for y2 that'll be minus x plus 2. And then we just hit the graph key here. And the function on the right, of course, is a linear function, a line. And on the left we have the natural log. So those are the two graphs, and you can see where they intersect right there. So let's hit the second key here and then trace. We're accessing the calculate menu. And the option we're going to use first is number 5, intersect. So we want to find where that point is that the two lines intersect, because the first component will give us the solution, first component of the point. Okay, so there's the cursor right there, and it's on the first curve there, so hit enter. Now it gives me second curve, and it's going to the line now, so we hit enter there. Now what's a guess? You can ignore that and just hit enter, and it tells you that the two graphs intersect at 1.159, or two places, 1.16, and that is the intersection point. So the solution to this equation using this feature is x equal to 1.16, and that's the two places. Now using the zero feature, we use the fact that if I have any function, say y equal f of x, I can graph this function, and wherever the graph crosses the x-axis, that generates the x-intercepts, and the first component of each point gives me the zeros, which is going to be the solution to that. Because if I want to solve, if I'm given y equal f of x, and I want to solve, say, this equation, f of x equal to 0, I want to know for what values this function f is 0. All I have to do is find the zeros on this graph. So what I do first is write this as one function. So this will be taking out everything over on the right side to the left. So this is going to say ln of 2x. Take this over, this will be a plus x. Bring the 2 over. Same thing as adding the minus 2 to both sides. So if you want to solve this equation here, the answer is going to be the same as this one. So all I have to do is name this f of x, or in the calculator they use y1, y2, and so forth. So let's just name this one y1. Enter it in the calculator, and then find the zeros. So y1, say, will be the natural log here. Or actually, take it back. It's going to be this whole thing here, because we're writing it as one function. So this will just be natural log of 2x plus x, okay, that's your y1, and then minus 2. And then we just hit graph here. There's the graph of this ln of 2x plus x minus 2. And this point right here where it crosses the x-axis, that's the x-intercept. The first component of that is the solution to this equation, because that corresponds to the 0. So again, we hit second, trace, and this time we want option number 2. We're going to use the 0 feature. So hit 2 here. Then it says left bound. Hit the right arrow here. There it is. It's on the left side of that point. So I hit enter. And then right bound. So I want to go past that point. Doesn't matter. Just stay close to it. As long as I go past the point and hit enter. And what's a guess here? Ignore it and hit enter. And it tells you the 0 is at 1.16 if I round it out to 2 places. Xn is equal to 1.16, which is the same solution we got using the intersect feature. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.